Welcome to Lastest Cars Info, your #1 destination for premium car reviews, exclusive first looks, and everything you need to know about the future of performance and luxury on four wheels. If you love cars that turn heads and deliver heart-pounding power, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. Today, we're diving into the beast that is the 2026 BMW X6M. This isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. A machine that blends coupe-inspired elegance with raw M power to deliver a driving experience unlike anything else on the road. At first glance, the 2026 X6M demands attention. The aggressive front fascia, the massive kidney grills, the sculpted hood lines, and the laser-sharp adaptive LED headlights give it a bold, dominating stance. BMW has tweaked the design ever so slightly from the previous model, but it's enough to make it look fresher, sharper, and even more athletic. Move to the side, and the sloping roofline reminds you this isn't your average SUV. It's a coupe-SUV hybrid with the DNA of a sports car. The muscular wheel arches now house massive 22-inch forged alloy wheels, wrapped in performance tires that cling to the road like claws. At the rear, the quad exhaust setup, redesigned diffuser, and sleek taillights complete the performance-focused look. Every inch of this vehicle screams M power. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X6M packs a monster. You get a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out a jaw-dropping 635 horsepower in the competition trim. That's enough to take you from 0 to 60 in just about 3.7 seconds. Let that sink in. An SUV weighing over 2 tons, sprinting like a full-blown supercar. The power is sent through an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission with drive logic, paired with BMW's intelligent X-Drive all-wheel drive system and an active M differential. But power alone isn't what makes the X6M special. It's how it handles. Thanks to adaptive M suspension, active roll stabilization, and M Servotronic steering, the 2026 X6M feels sharp, controlled, and ready to attack corners like no other SUV in its class. Whether you're cruising through city streets or pushing it on winding mountain roads, this machine stays planted and confident. Inside the cabin, BMW hasn't held back. You're surrounded by luxury and advanced tech, merino leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, heated and ventilated M Sport seats with integrated headrests, and an ambient lighting setup that creates a premium vibe. The curved display takes center stage, combining a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. Gesture controls, voice assistant, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon sound system ensure you're always connected and entertained. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 X6M comes with a full suite of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot detection, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. BMW's driving assistant professional package is more intuitive than ever. So who is the 2026 BMW X6M for? It's for the driver who refuses to compromise. For someone who wants the space and versatility of an SUV but craves the performance and aggression of a true M car. It's bold, it's powerful, and it's unapologetically BMW. That's it for today's review. What are your thoughts on the new 2026 BMW X6M? Would you pick this over rivals like the Audi RSQ8 or Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S Coupe? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow car enthusiasts. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion alive. You're watching Lastest Cars Info.